Everyone, good morning. This is our last day on our 3-day vacation from Cavite to Bantayan Island. Nandito kami ngayon sa Stevrena sa main branch nila. This is where we brought our ingredients for us to cook our sabaw, yung fried na hotdog and fried fish. Kakatapos lang ni Chan magluto ng hotdog at ng sabaw, and we're currently cooking the rest of the fish. This is the hotdog, guys, na nabili ni RJ kahapon. Thank you so much, RJ and Edlynn, for buying all of the ingredients. This is the fried fish, the hotdog, at yung sabaw. Yan. Yung laman nandito, guys, sinapalit na lang namin para hindi siya mag-spill.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Wow.
It's April.
Saan pala yan?
Katong nagmual-bual ta.
Oo nga.
We check the date kasi iya September sa ako April.
Ano po,
Ganun, late upload. Anong oras na tayo natulog kagabi?
Ako mga 2:30.
Ako 3 AM. Ito, Jude.
Not 12 or 1.
Alas 10.
Alas 10, oy.
Mga 11
Ay, talaga?
Yes.
Pala yung
Something ka.
kumain tayo?
Anong oras na kayo nagising?
6 ko.
Ikaw?
Pag po ako na
8:30.
RG5 niya. Wala man eh, natulog ko balik
Natulog ka
ikaw
balik?
po eh. Nagluluto ako ng pinakamasarap na food.
So si Christian ngayon yung nag-take over sa cooking duties. This is the kitchen.
Malapit na maluto. Just give us 5 more minutes and we're done.
May nabili din kaming buko juice. This is only for 30 pesos. Since wala akong sensilyo, Kuya gave us this 2 bukos for only 50 pesos lang. Thank you so much, Kuya. This is the rest of the resort, guys. Saan po kayo mag-inquire o mag-check-in. At yung kitchen nila, the huts where you're going to stay. I think meron pa yung doon banda na mga room sa likod. By the way, the name of the business is Stevrena Accommodations. So it's along the highway. I'll be right back. We're gonna finish up cooking. I'll see you later. Let's have a great morning. Nandito na po yung pagkain namin. So it's already prepared. Thank you so much, Christian, for cooking the food. Ito na po yung sabaw na isda.
Ito ang sabaw na tao.
Sabaw na.
Perfect, just like me.
Agree ba kayo? Comment down
Agree.
below.
May
The
tabang
hot
pa kayo mamaya?
dog, the fried eggs, and the fried fish.
I'm hungry.
And by the way, this is our view this morning. The view of the beach. Pakain muna kami, guys. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. After we eat, we're gonna go to the beach and go swimming. Kakatapos lang namin kumain ng breakfast namin, guys, and time check, it's already 11:19 in the morning at alis kami ngayon, guys, like around 2:30 kasi yun yung departure time from Santa Fe Port going to Hagnayan Port. So it really depends, guys, kung saan may available trip, either sa Medellin kung saan kami galing kahapon, or we're gonna head to Hagnayan Port sa may Bugo area. At the moment, we're by the shoreline. We're gonna go take a swim. So yung mga kasama ko nag-pictorial pa. Hi! Good morning! Hala, ready!
Yes.
Tell them where you bought this bathing suit.
Hello! Pwede! Makabalo mo! Along the street, Cavite, Medellin.
It's only for 60 pesos!
Yes,
Oh my
65
God.
sa doy. Grabe sa
65
Kobe,
okay, 65
nagipangyo.
pala. Busy pa sila mag-pictorial, guys. And this is actually the beach. Dito kami kumain kahapon at nag-karaoke, guys, sa Island Rock Resort. Ito yung ating ngayon ni Judith, guys. Naka 2-piece bathing suit. Ayun.
Shut up!
Where did you bought those nails?
Those, I made them.
Oh, you made them? Yeah. This is the beach. Enjoy this couple of scenes that I shot earlier dito sa my beach area. This is good for, I think, 7 people na. Very recommendable guys kasi talaga masyadong maingay doon. Not very crowded. And on the side, may maraming mga businesses like restaurants and cafe. And also, they have a bar there too. Better visit Stevrena, or you can follow them on their Facebook and Instagram. I'll put the information below on how to contact them. By the way guys, yung departure time from Santa Fe Port is around 2:30. Let's ask Christian guys kung magkano yung pamasahe sa barko.
359. Nabatoy ako yung damit ko, punyeta. Vogue, very vogue.
I'm going to give you an update later kung nakarating na kami sa Hagnayan Port.
Nakasend ka din?
Time check, it's already 2:56 in the afternoon. Let's see how many hours. Or I think mga 1.5 hour estimated yung travel time through ferry going to Hagnayan Port. For the meantime guys, enjoy this beautiful view of the beach. Sa Hagnayan Port. It's already 3:37 p.m. Malapit na kami sa may port area nila. And the total traveling time from Santa Fe Port going to Hagnayan, it's around almost an hour guys. Will you come back?
Yes, of course. Kawit, Medellin, and Bantayan Island is a very must visit.
Did you enjoy our vacation?
Yes, I did.
Thank you all for joining our 3-day vacation. See you on the next video. Bye! Bye!